Good Wednesday morning. This is a picture of me taken in on Saturday in an old country town called Andice, Texas. It's about 15 minutes from the ranch, and I just got that done on Saturday. Isn't that a cute little general store? Today you have received an invite to the Zoom session for the Adolescence and Puberty Talk. Please log in before your scheduled time. Girls, log in before 9. Yours will start right at 9. It should last about an hour. Boys, you will log in before 10:30. We will not have one-on-ones today because of this scheduled Zoom session. Boys will likely miss music class at 11 if it doesn't wrap up. I don't think it'll be done in 30 minutes. So, anyways, I hope everyone has a great day and enjoy.